front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, you need to launch Settings and scroll to tap on Advanced Features available here. Now, scroll again to click on one-handed mode, tap on it on the left, and activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. Then tap on one of those options to decide which one is better to reduce display size with: gesture or button. Whether you decided to enter one-handed mode, just follow the instructions below the chosen method. In my case, double tap the home button, so when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To resize it, hold one of its top corners and drag it. To move it around, hold this sign at the top and drag it as well. Or use this button available on the left or on the right. To go back to standard size screen, click on Blu-ray area. And to disable one-handed mode fully, use the same Now Blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!